Your new foreskin sleeve will arrive boxed with both a trimming guide and product care card and a handy step-by-step guide on how to alter your foreskin. The foreskin will arrive in a sealed bag. The first step is to measure yourself from base to tip along the top of the penis. It's important to note that the sleeve contains organic coconut oil. The oil melts at temperatures above 24 degrees. Warm through fully before every use to achieve the smooth gliding motion. Now the sleeve is ready to be turned inside out. Lay the sleeve on a flat surface with the vein at the top and the seam central. Mark your measured length with a pen, like so. Cut the trimming guide along the line that corresponds to the size foreskin you are cutting. Once again, ensure that the vein is at the top and the seam is central. Place the trimming guide down onto the sleeve and align the top edge with your mark. Now trace the curve with a pen. When trimming your sleeve, you must not cut past the seam and into the area that contains the oil. Using sharp scissors, carefully cut along the marked line, being careful to create a nice, clean and smooth edge. A jagged or rough edge can create weakness in the silicone. With the sleeve still inside out, roll it backwards onto the penis, starting tip to tip, like so. Adjust and arrange to suit your anatomy for a comfortable fit.